Let's define a new function named simple generator function, and here we will be using yield instead of return. So what will this yield do? This yield statement will suspend the function execution and sends the value back to the caller, but it retains enough state to enable function to resume where it left off. So we are using here yield1, yield2 and yield3. So when it is resumed, the function continues execution immediately after the last yield run. So let's make a for statement for value in simple generator function. Okay. And now we'll just print the value. So you can see here 1, 2 and 3. So this allows its code to produce a series of value over time rather than computing them at once and sending them back to it like a list. So let's make another function. This will be like this: next square, and let's make I equals 1, and then let's make a while statement, while true. So this is an infinite loop to generate square. So let's put yield I multiplied by I, and then we'll increment I by 1. So next execution resumes from this point. So let's make a for statement here also. Let's make it like this: for num in next square, and then let's write till 100. So let's make it like this: for num greater than 100, we will break, so it will only print till 100. So let's print the number. So you can see here 4, 9, 16, 25. So all the squares are here.